I went down to the tax assessor's office and I got everything stamped for the 50 acres of land. I'm
Oh,
No one is there. No one is there because
okay.
the owner of the property, he's been dead maybe 30 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah.
so there is one heir, but she's literally not
trying to do anything with it because I actually went to her one time before and she said she didn't want anything to do with it. And
the land, the 40 acres is landlocked.
Mm-hmm.
But there is another 9 acres that sits
off of a road. Like a lot of things that I've been studying about adverse possession and making the conscious decision to purchase your ebook is literally been like the easiest way to get that property because I've been looking at this property for over 12 years now. So it's like when I got the ebook, it was everything was right there. Somebody said
I
I'm
appreciate
busy
that.
and shit.
So,
Yeah, but
I do have a question, like, because I think I remember you seeing that you were nervous at first. Can you
I
explain to
was.
people why you're nervous, but getting the information that helps people to like, even if you're nervous, it gives you more confidence to actually do the process.
I think with anything that you're kind of gambling with, well, I wouldn't say gamble, but you're taking a risk at doing, it makes you nervous. But I was confident in knowing that adverse possession is legal because someone did tell me, a good friend of mine, she actually told me about adverse possession. So I started doing all this Googling, and then when I seen your TikToks, that's how I ended up following your page. And I was like, oh, he created an ebook. But I knew that you were knowledgeable about it because, for one, I looked at the number of people, members that's on the private page that we have. I was like, okay, so it got to be more to this than what I'm seeing. I
Mm-hmm.
didn't go into that of in depth of reading about adverse possession until I got on the Facebook page and I started seeing more of what I was looking for. Because if you don't know what you're looking for, how do you know what to look for? You see what I'm saying? So it was like I didn't
Mm-hmm.
even know what to look for, but when I read your book, everything like the pieces of the puzzle came together. And I literally just joined your group
Mm-hmm.
and I already have what I need for the 50, and this is actually 55 acres to be exact.